Hello everybody. My name is from Secretary and this is a presentation of Braintut. Um, Braintut is a modern e-learning platform designed to simplify studying for students. So many students struggle with disorganized learning resources and poor accessibility. That's why we came up with building Braintut. So first of all, this is the landing page, or we can call it the home page, where we have the home about tabs, instructors, courses, and contacts. Uh, these are the science category courses that are on the platform. Then these are all the courses that are on the platform are now there. Then these are the vocational skill-based courses, where we have introduction to web design and fundamentals. Then our purchase in your full livestock production. And then these ones are recommended for you. So let us take a look at the dashboard of the student, the person who has visited Braintut to study. So we got to create an account if it is your first time to visit Braintut, where we shall fill in the name, full name, the email address, the password. We confirm the password and then agree with the terms and conditions. Then you can create an account. But for us in this demo video, we already have an account, so we shall go to login straight away. So we have created demo email logins, which is upstu@braintut.rfgd, and with its password. So we click login. Right, we are on our dashboard for a student. We have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, focusing on the user experience and performance. So it's saying welcome to. Here we have integrated our project with an AI, an assistant, which is called Chat AI. Chat AI is a generative AI which is limited to education purpose only. So here, once you ask any question and you say ask, it will redirect you to Chat AI's page and you can chat with it. So below that, we have continue learning. Continue learning is a section where the courses you have already applied, you have already enrolled to will appear. So these are recommended for you. All the courses will display there until you have started working on some projects, and then all projects that align in the same category with that project will appear on recommended for you. Then all courses is where all courses will display. So let us first take a look at the courses, how it works. So for example, I want biology overview. This is high school biology lessons from Khan Academy. So let's click in it. So here it's taking us to the course page of the biology from Khan Academy. So these are lessons, biology overview, the scientific method. But you can see they are looked before. We have to enroll now in order to start watching. So let's click enroll now. So we're having internet issues randomly, but it will work. So we are focusing on user experience and performance, not we are basing on Uganda population only. So we have to make our user interface so simple so that anyone can work on it. So after enrolling, it reload, showing us that we have enrolled. So now since we have enrolled, we have continue and it's showing us that we have enrolled successfully. So these are the lessons that are right there. Now they are unlocked. Let us watch lesson one first. So this is the video test page, which is user interface, just like YouTube, where this will be the lesson, and then these are the lessons that follow it. For example, here on lesson one, you can see it's the one that is selected, lesson two, lesson three, and then the title is down here below the video, and then the description is here. So because of poor internet, it may take some time to speak right now, but what happened? Let's go back to the home page, and then we take a look at other pages. So we are going to chat AI, which is the AI that we have created. So this is the page for chat AI, our recent chat, recent chat, and then this is where we are let's create a new chat by clicking here, right? We created a new chat. Let's ask anything like what is biology? So you can see here the tutor, which is that AI is our tutor here. It's typing, so it will explain. We have made it function like it explains everything. It gives you in details. For example, it's suddenly a biology scientific study of living organisms in their structure. So it's giving a lot of cell biology, for example, cells are specialized organelles. Yeah, and that. So let's take a page on courses. Now courses, this is the page where all our courses will display. These are the courses that are there right now. This is the page specialized for courses where we shall find all the courses on the platform. We go for get exams. Get exams. This is a place where you shall find papers like past papers, notes, and you download them in PDF. So study. This is a page for we're seeing in the future we are going to maximize the platform where people will now study online using the curriculum provided by the Ministry of Education with primary, high school, university, and then we can give a certificate then. But right now it's pending release until we are connected to the respective party. So ask for help. For example, we are facing bugs. A user cannot watch something or is having trouble. We have created a page, ask for help, where the user will brief the summary of the issue, and then describe the problem in detail, then can submit a request. And there in our admin panel, you can get the notification and see his problem and reply back. So we have this search bar right here. We made it specialized. It's advanced for it browses the whole application. It gets lessons, it gets courses, and even it can send directly to AI. So, for example, I'm going to search for biology. So you can see this is a course that we are watching, lesson. And then here, once we click here, ask that AI, this what we are searching, right? We I talked about this that AI assistant feature where, for example, I'm going to put geography, geography. So if I say AI, ask, it will take me to my AI page, and then it automatically sends what I typed here. So that's how it function. So that is all we had for the student dashboard. So let's look and then take a look at the teacher or tutor or instructor dashboard, right? So in order to log into the instructor's dashboard, we have to go here to instructor. Okay, this is a page for the instructor. So welcome to future instructors. Okay. So we have to click on start teaching. So once we click on start teaching, it will take us to a login page or create account page for the instructors, where the logins we shall provide to you in order for you to test it yourself. So you can see in the URL there is instructors then login. So we are basically on the right page. So here is the email and the password. So we log in. So this is my dashboard. Zero courses, zero students, zero money made. Right now, no one has enrolled in my courses yet. Okay, these are my courses right here. One, two, three, four. These are my courses. Okay, once so if I want to create a course, I'll just be like create new course, and then I put a course title, course cover page. This is like the thumbnail, and then the category. There's programming, design, business, math, science, or other. And then I put a description. Then I create the course. So let's go back to the dashboard. So now, after creating a course, I want to add a lesson. I want to make lessons. So I will click on preview. For example, this agriculture, this website development, I will click on preview. I will click on here, it's edit, right? Let's click on edit. Here it's wait, alright. If I want to add lessons, I'll first create a new course. I put it. Then you can add a lesson. A lesson can either be a video lesson or notes, PDF, where the user will get it, right? It shows the category, which is math, and created on April 3rd, 2026. Most of them are oversized. These are demo courses that we have put, so they're not the real courses. So after that, let's log out and then check out the admin. Here it's where the center is, the center of control. So this is the admin panel. Yeah, we shall still use the same login info and then click login. So Here is what we are seeing how many people are online, exams that are available, enrollments, courses, and users. And now we have 2 users, 4 courses, 6 enrollments, 2 exams, and 0 people online. So these are the analytics showing that registrations right now it's 1, active users. This is yesterday. This is today. We had 3 users active. And then live users will appear here where they're showing name, email, and last active. So let's go on. This is the home page, the dashboard. Click on users. These are the users running and this is the email. We can delete. Oh no. And then this is the other user. Oops. Then this one shows the courses that are there. For example, if someone posts non-educational stuff like uh, useless videos or is just posting anything, and someone reports, oh, we are reviewing because we should reviewing after every 4 hours, we can delete or review or we edit. So these are the lessons that each course has, like this course, this thumbnail, and this title of the lesson. Then the instructors, these are the instructors. This instructor here has 4 courses. Well, this instructor has 4 courses and lessons. No, we're in exams right now. So the exams, I'm the one who will be putting exams and I can delete them. Or I put the title, and then description, then I put the PDF, then I upload it. Then messages. Here, last time I showed you back to the student dashboard, it's where a student would submit a problem, then I receive it here, I reply him and get an email about the reply and I'll fix the issue. And the chats here, the chats, alright. So this was so nice showing you the demo of Braintut. Thank you very much. I hope it's all for the best. Thank you.